if I let my feelings out. It's my love that I want you. I'm trying to keep you around. Don't go walking out on me. No, there ain't no way I can let you win. There could be no reason, ain't nothing that you did. I'm always up for war, always making shit up. 'Cause even if we're fighting, at least you paid attention.
Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give you guys an update on Enchanting. I received her autopsy report, so let's get straight into it. Texas-based rapper Enchanting, whose real name was Channing, passed away at the age of 26. According to reports, back in June, the artist died after being taken off life, suffering the effects of an overdose. Enchanting was signed to Gucci Mane's 1017 record label. Previous reports said she had been taken to a hospital emergency room. The next morning, rumors about her death circulated. A post made on Enchanting's sister said, "Stop posting false information. She's in the ICU. She's fighting and she's fighting hard. Don't give up on her just yet," the post said. Let's get into the information that I had, and also hit the like button, share, and subscribe.
Well, first thing that kind of came out when you hear 1017. Gucci. Big Wop. That's like, that was like your dream. So you always wanted that, right? You always saw yourself with Gucci.
I always loved Gucci.
Is it what you expected? Like being here now?
Like, I couldn't really expect though, for real, because you never know you can think and feel like however you want to feel, but whenever you get there in life, it's completely different from like what you ever think or put together.
Loyalty, respect, love. If you had to choose which one comes first, which one comes second, and which one comes last, give me the order. Love, loyalty, respect. What has to come first?
First of all, respect me, or we ain't gonna have shit. I'm gonna smack the fuck out you. Further than that, then I'm gonna need loyalty, then love. You know?
Love last?
Love is like, it's cool. You can love somebody and still cheat on them. Okay. I don't want, yes. What? Yes. Yes.
But what is cheating? What does that mean? Somebody cheat on you. What
do that mean?
Oh, you're a good liar.
Am I a good liar?
Are you?
If I have to lie, yeah.
What would be the case where you would have to lie?
To the police. I'm gonna lie my ass off every time.
So you don't believe in snitching?
What? I have never snitched in my life.
So what is snitching?
Snitching is putting someone else in a predicament to look bad in any kind of way. If it's putting me in jail, if you telling my nigga I did something, any type of snitching that's some hoe ass.
So let's get into the definitions. Says manner of death. An autopsy can help determine whether a death was an accident or an homicide by evidence. An accident is an unintentional death caused by an injury or poison, while a homicide is a death caused by another person intentionally act. Let's get into what her autopsy said. Manner of death, accident. So, if they considered an accident, it is an unintentional death caused by an injury or poison. Again, thank you for tuning in. Hit the like, subscribe, and share. And comment below. Thank you, thank you, thank you.